Hi everyone, I'm Brian, the founder and CEO of DAIM. This is the summary video for our July letter. All right, let's hop into the forecast. Short term, we think Bitcoin is going to bump up into some resistance at the 33,000 level. There is a small chance it comes down to 25,000, but the longer we stay here and build our base, the better it seems that we're going to be pushing through higher to the upside. What happened last month though? There was a flash down through 25,000. We were actually really happy about this because we had some cash remaining to be deployed in our model portfolio, and we were sitting there waiting, and we are happy now that we're fully long and prepared to go on the ride for the part of the bull cycle. So moving even further, what's the catalyst? Well, BlackRock came out and announced that they're going to submit for a Bitcoin spot ETF. This was really big news because they have a really good track record of successfully getting their ETFs submitted and launched versus the other firms that have submitted. But on the back of that, we've seen a wave now of other companies resubmitting their filings or submitting new filings. So this is all positive for the space. This is where you want to be really excited. Last year was tough. We're behind that. That bear market is behind us. That bottom was back in November. We're now sitting at 30,000, building a really nice base. It's time to be excited. Okay, so now what do we think maybe what happens with these ETFs? Well, you don't want to wait for it to be invested. You want to be involved before. You want to own direct digital assets before the ETF gets launched. And if you're looking at something like BITO, which is the futures-based Bitcoin ETF, understand it doesn't track one-to-one to Bitcoin. It actually trades at a discount. So if Bitcoin goes up by 20%, this is only going to be up 10%. 10% is a massive number. That's way bigger than any advisor fee, manager fee. Look, invest in Bitcoin directly, okay? And think about it this way too. If Bitcoin's down 15%, this is going to be down 25%. It's just not worth being in the product. There's enough on-ramps to Bitcoin that you can find. Gemini, us, we're all here to help you. Just let us know and we'll take care of you. Okay, so now about the Bitcoin ETF and what could lead us to further upside and this bull market catalyst. Okay, well, a Bitcoin ETF might take at least 240 days to be approved, which also looks like it might happen in time with the next halving in 2024. Okay, so that's really good news. The other thing is, are we in a bull market? I think we are. Our model shows we are. We have something custom and proprietary that basically tracks how many weeks per year Bitcoin goes up by 15% or more. In a bull cycle, that happens on average 6 times per year. Well, we're halfway through the year and we've had 3 of them. So the back half of the year could set up really nice. And our model shows that the end of 2023, Bitcoin being around 48,800. And for the end of 2024, which the catalyst being the halving and an ETF being launched, we see Bitcoin in our model projecting 130,500. All right, so this shows us that we are in the bull part of the cycle. This is where you want to be allocating if you're not allocated and you want to hold on and be long. Get excited. We're in the bull market again, finally. Let's do this.